Are you going to hold her?
Wait. Just want to thank you for coming. We appreciate it. You probably already know we're pregnant.
No.
You do look it.
So we can't. I mean, we're really lucky. We've been blessed to have that. That's awesome. But nobody really knows what the sex of the child is. So that was the big other thing with Madeline's birthday. You're going to find out what the sex of the baby is today. So you'll just have to look for subtle hints for the rest of the afternoon on about what that might be.
There's a filling in the cake.
The blue bow in Madeline's hair. I don't know. I'm just saying, I was surprised to see the blue bow.
That's the clue.
But there's pink candles, so you don't know.
You have pink candles and purple rice.
Plates.
Anyway, thanks for coming. We appreciate it.
Happy
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Madeline. Happy birthday to you.
You can blow your candles. Honey, you want to cut the cake?
Sure.
Oh, that means it's a boy.
It's TBD.
He's got to have some part in this.
Is that part of the subtle hint?
You're going to get a piece.
Come on, Matt. Come on, faster, faster. Seriously.
She's like, I don't care about that. I just want cake. This day is about me, people.
And now somebody's eating.
All right, I'll go sit her in there and she can eat.
That's a good idea.